My name is Ashley Hutchinson. This is Video Quiz 4. Today we are discussing Chapter 11. In Chapter 11, the main component of the key idea, is persuasive speech. This is helpful because we have a persuasive speech coming up in a couple weeks. With persuasive speech, the most important thing, obviously, is going to be your ability to persuade your audience. There are several ways to do so. Aristotle came up with the ethos, the logos, and the pathos, which generally translates over to your credibility, your logic, and your ability to empathize with your audience. If you have a committed listener in your audience, you're not going to be able to reach them as easily as you would with a non-committed because they've already made up their mind. And it's a lot difficult to change someone's mind rather than basically make it up for them because they're undecided. With credibility, your initial credibility, you want to be able to tell the audience what your credentials are. You want to explain your education, your experiments with it, any research that you've done. You want to be able to build credibility with your audience before your speech starts. That way, they know that you're a reliable source and they're going to more likely believe what you're saying instead of question it. And same with logic. The main part of logic is evidence. You need to back up what you're saying. And with empathy, the pathos part of it, if you can't connect with your audience and make that connection, like a good example would be in cancer research and the funding of it and trying to get people to donate money to help with cancer research so that we can find a cure. It's extremely important to relate it to the audience so that it's personal for them, so that they want to help. One thing I learned is that one of the most effective methods of speech giving would be the problem solution. You state your problem, you explain it to the fullest extent, get all the statistics in there, and then you need to present what you believe is your solution to this problem. And if it's the only solution presented, it's a lot easier for the audience to go with. And that is Video Quiz 4.